Hello children, what's up? All okay? Nice. Children, do you love sounds? Sound of birds chirping in the morning and in the evening, sound of raindrops, horn of vehicles, etc., etc. We are also learning to identify two-letter sound blends and framing words with those letters. So today we will see the sound blend with letters C and H. We all know C sounds K and sometimes S, and H sounds H. When we put them together, CH usually say ch, ch, the ch sound. For example, chair, chick, cheese. Your favorite now? Children, many words also end with ch. For example, bench, lunch, sandwich. Now, all of you see page number 22 of your English reader. So many ch sound words are given. Come, we will read the words. Chat, chap, chase, chain, chair, chapati, 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 touch, touch, chocolate, 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 lunch, lunch, hunch, bunch, munch, teach, teach, beach, speech, reach, preach, child, chick, chill, chin, touch your chin. Okay. RICH, rich, DITCH, ditch, PITCH, pitch, BITCH, bitch, CHALK, chalk, CHEST, chest, CHECK, check, CHERRY, cherry, CHEEK, cheek, CHEESE, cheese. Children, you will read ch sound words once again and write any 10 ch sound words in your copy. Okay? Thank you.